In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Confluence Cloud for your team, from sign-in to spaces, pages, and permissions. First, head to Atlassian Confluence and either sign in with your existing Atlassian account or create a new one. If you're new, the setup is quick. Just follow the prompts and confirm your account. Once you're in, choose Confluence Cloud. This is the hosted version managed by Atlassian, so you don't have to worry about servers or manual updates, and it's the best place to get started fast. Next, set up your site name, sometimes called your workspace. This becomes part of your site's web address, so pick something short, clear, and easy for your team to remember. Think along the lines of your company or project name. Keep in mind that this name is visible to your team and can be hard to change later, so choose carefully. When that's confirmed, you'll land in your new Confluence home. Now create your first space. A space is like a department or project hub. It keeps related pages, files, and discussions together. Click to create a space and choose a starting point that fits your goal, such as a blank space, for full flexibility, or a knowledge-based style if you're documenting processes. Give each space a straightforward name and a short key. Clear names make navigation easier as your content grows. If you're working with others, add team members. You can invite people by email and choose whether they're viewers, contributors, or admins. If you're not sure who needs access yet, don't worry. You can always invite more people later. The important part is to start with the core group who will build and review content with you. Inside your new space, create your first pages. Click Create to start a blank page or use a template for common needs like meeting notes or project plans. Keep pages focused, use headings and short sections, and add links or attachments where helpful. Save often and use the page tree on the left to see how everything fits together. Finally, start organizing your site with spaces, pages, and permissions. Use one space per major team or project, and build a simple hierarchy of parent and child pages to keep information tidy. Set space permissions so the right people can view or edit, and use page restrictions for sensitive content. Clear titles, consistent templates, and a brief overview page at the top of each space will help everyone find what they need quickly. And that's your foundation in Confluence Cloud: account ready, space created, team invited, pages started, and a structure that will scale as you grow.